Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today we got the call non-start problem. MG 2021 model. I think it's an S model, 1 liter, basically a smaller car. Yeah, we are heading to there and we are going to check what's going on there. Right, where's the MG? MG there, MG there, MG there. Yep. Came to the place. Right, this is the MG we are looking. Yeah, however, like this problem 2021, basically I'm going to start from the battery. Yeah, we'll see what's going on there. First of all, I'm going to call to the customer. For me, please. Nothing? No. Right, okay. Like this scenario, first of all, I'm going to check the oil level and coolant level, and same time I got the multimeter for check the battery, because 2021 mean 4 years old car. Right, right. Yeah, oil level okay, little bit dark and not smelly. Yeah, coolant level fine. Yeah, next step I'm going to check the battery. And this vehicle has I can see little bit oil leaking underneath. While you work with the car, better to have a look around that area, better to inform to the customer. Right, positive to positive, negative to negative. Vehicle has a 12-volt battery. Right, madam, can you start for me, please? Right, while you start, it's not going battery further down, but look like to me battery okay. Right, if it battery okay, next step I want to check start a motor. While cranking the car, might be power not coming to the starter motor. However, next step I'm going to jack up the car and check starter motor, probe and have a look any power coming to the starter motor. Madam, this is the manual or automatic? Automatic, yeah. It's parked at the P, yeah. Can I have the key for a minute? Thank you. Okay. Give the camera. Right, now I can see the light green here. Right now it's green. Can you try to start the car for me, please? It should be red. Yeah, nothing happened, no? Right, okay. Is it ignition on? Ignition on, right? Press the brake pedal. I'm going to start the car from here. Right, okay. Right. No, okay. Try to start the car again. Right. Now it's work as should be. Okay. Try again, switch off and try. Off the car, try again. Right, now you can see it all getting red and power come to there. Feeling this pin like the supply wire not connected properly here, that's why I feeling, but I'm going to clear this connector and have a look 3-4 times what's going on there. Switch off. Try to start again. Right, okay. Switch off. Right. At the moment it's doing the job. However, I'm going to disconnect this connector. Yeah, here we are. You can see the evidence. This connector all greenish, basically inside acid build up. That's why there could be problem because it's not connected the starter motor properly. Yeah, we know the problem now. I'm going to clean the connector and come back to you. Yeah, couple of times before we go, make sure everything okay. All good? Yeah, nice one. Happy customer, happy day. Thank you. See you in the next video.